On the right side of the quadrant, the B's and the I's, the business owners and the investors, these are very, very different ways to earn an income. The difference between self-employed on the left quadrant side and then a business owner, the B on the top right, is that the business owner owns a business that makes money for him or her. The business owner doesn't have to work in the business either at all or much, if at all. So you own the business, you have people in place to do the work, and you could walk away for a year and come back and it'd be more profitable than when you left because it's actually a business that you own. It's an asset that you own, not something that you work in necessarily. Now, the interesting thing is these days, the S's and the B's are a little more blended. And I'm going to talk about the difference and how I want you to think about shifting if you're a classic S. And then the I is an investor. It's not someone necessarily who owns a business with employees, but it's someone who has capital, aka money, to invest in things or people or ideas. And so you can invest in stocks or bonds or real estate or startup companies or whatever. And your money goes away into that investment and then that money earns you money. So it's different than owning a business. It's owning money that makes you money. Benefits of earning income on this right side as a B or an I are huge. One, you can earn much more scalable income because it's not capped. It's not based off how many hours you work, how many clients you take, how many customers you have. It's not limited to you. If you own a business, the businesses can grow and grow and grow and grow and grow. If you have employees doing the job and servicing the people, your income can skyrocket. And then cherry on top is that you're taxed at the lowest rates on the right side of the quadrant. So the government treats that type of income differently in the US, so it's taxed less. So if you start out as an E like I did, great. Here's what you need to do. Step one is live on less than you make. Be responsible. Create a gap between how much comes in and how much has to go out for your bills and your lifestyle. And that gap, that extra $100, $200, $1,000, whatever it is a month, build up some savings so that you can then invest in yourself and start your own online business, which is the cheapest, easiest way to become an S, to become self-employed. Now you're a solopreneur or you're self-employed. You want to move to a B as soon as you can. Because if you get stuck in an S, you're going to fall into the trap of hustle, hustle, hustle. That's not the purpose of business, is to just sacrifice everything at the altar of your business and just kill yourself in the name of profit. What I want you to do is shift from an S to a B. First, you eliminate. The way to work less is to eliminate the stuff that you really don't need to do. Step two is you start to automate email sequences, sales sequences, social media posting, whatever you can automate. And then whatever you can't eliminate or automate, you delegate.